channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing amazing, sending positive vibes like always. So today I am very excited to show you guys what I got in the mystery box that I ordered from Juvia's place. I actually ordered two, but everything came in one box. I'll show you guys in a second. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. So I am a little confusion as to the mystery boxes with Juvia's place. This is the first time I ever ordered one, and I saw that they had a Halloween mystery box. So I'm like, heck yes. I love mystery boxes, first of all. But in my brain, I was expecting a little box for each one so I could be surprised opening it and show you guys. But this is what it came in. It's a little box. I just opened it so it could be easier to show you guys, but I don't know what's in here. I know for a fact that I ordered a black liquid lip because I have been wanting one for a while, and the rest I don't know what it is. So I will be opening it with you guys. So let's get into it because I'm super excited. By the way, if I look a little off, or if I start coughing and sneezing, or my voice sounds a little off, I'm not feeling too great. I'm a little under the weather, but I wanted to get a video up for you guys, so I decided to film this one. But don't you worry, more tutorials are coming very soon. So as soon as I took the paper off, that's what I'm seeing first. I'm just gonna start pulling stuff out. Okay, so this one is called the Empress Lip Collection by Juvia. It's Moro Matte and Metallic Liquid Lip. I love Juvia's Place packaging. I feel like they go above and beyond with their packaging. I really like that from them. Well, that's super cool. Okay, two lippies, purple. So one is metallic and then one is matte. This is the matte one. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys so you guys can see it. So this is the matte one. I'll do a swatch right here. Whoa. Talk about pigment. Talk about pigment. That's crazy. Okay, let's swatch this metallic one because I'm very excited for the metallic one. I usually don't wear purple lippies, but I'm pretty sure that I could do a really pretty makeup look and incorporate this lip. So I'm very excited that I actually have these because I don't own any dark purples like this. So I'll just swatch it right here. Oh, that's very pretty. Very pretty. I'm gonna wait until it dries and then I'll show you guys once again so we could see the difference in the metallic and matte. Next I got, oh, this is literally the same thing. Okay, so I got the same thing because I did order two mystery boxes. So I got the same color. I'll show you guys. I'm not gonna open this one because I don't think it's necessary for me to have two of the same one. So maybe I'll add it to a giveaway. Maybe I won't. We shall see. Next is this. This is the Rebel Gray. So I'm assuming it's a gray palette. Oh yeah, these are really pretty, by the way. These are it. Let me swatch them really quickly for you guys. Juvia's Place shadows are very nice. I love her shadows. The pigment is always really nice when it comes to her stuff. Okay. Oh, that's really pretty. This is giving me like Christmas vibes or like New Year's. Really pretty. I have to do a makeup look with this. Even with that lip and like this on the eyes. Ooh, super pretty. Next I have the same palette. Oh no. Okay, so I have another one of the same one. So like I said, I am not gonna open this one because you guys already know what it looks like. So next I got the Nubian by Juvia's Loose Highlighter in Clio. I've been eyeing this one actually, and I was gonna buy it the other day, but I'm like, maybe I'll wait. I'm glad that I didn't. It looks beautiful. I don't even want to open this, to be honest, but I'm gonna do it so I can swatch it for you guys. I get a little scared when it's like loose highlighters because they get all over the place. Look, oh, 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 oh. It's gonna be beautiful, I already know it. Wow. Yeah, that's really pretty. Let me close this before I drop it all over the place. Okay, look how stunning that is. Even to put on your eyes or on your legs, on your chest. Oh my god, super, super pretty. Next, don't tell me I got the same one. Cleo, yep, I got another one. This one I'm actually gonna keep both because I like to make lotions with highlighters, or even for the legs, for the arms. So I will be keeping that. And then this is the black lippy that I told you guys about. It is called Doo Doo. I think I'm pronouncing that right. We have to swatch this one because I've been wanting this one for a while. Oh, yep. Talk about pigment. That's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. They don't have a scent, but that's super, super pretty. Ooh, I'm excited for this one. I definitely have to get a look up for you guys, like a grungy look using this. Cannot wait. And then the two final products are, what do you know, the same one. It's the Nubian Nourishing Lip Balm. So I love lip balms. So when it comes to a lip balm, I don't mind having the same one. This is in the flavor Passion Fruit. I've never tried Juvia's Place lip balms, to be honest. So I don't know how good they are, but I'm very excited to try them out. Oh, this is super pretty. If you guys have used a Juvia's Place lip balm before, please let me know in the comments down below. If you guys know me, you guys know that I love lip balms this color. We gotta swatch it, of course. Oh, it has a tint. Yes, I'm gonna love this. I already know it. You know what? That smells like a candy I used to have before when I was younger. I just don't know what it is. But look how pretty that is. I already have some stuff on. Can you see that pretty pink tint it gave me? I really like this. I really, really like this. Super excited that I got these. So that is all that I got in the box. That was very interesting. I did not think I was gonna get the same thing twice. Being completely honest with you guys, if I would have known that I was gonna get the same thing, I only would have bought one box. Just being honest with you guys. But I cannot wait to see what other people got. I don't know if other people are gonna get the same thing, but I cannot wait to see other people open their mystery box from Juvia's Place. I like everything, to be honest. Everything is very pretty. The shadows are beautiful. The lips are really pretty. The purple one isn't dry yet. It did smudge a little bit, but you can tell the difference. This one's a matte one, and then the metallic, which is really pretty. The highlighter, bomb. The lip balm, super bomb. And then the black is super, super pretty. The shadows are to die for. I can't wait to use these and do makeup looks with them. So if you guys want to see something on, or like if you guys want me to do a makeup look using something from here, let me know in the comments down below and I will get that up for you guys as soon as I can. So that is it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.